Hey guys, it's Michelle from MBD Studio. Today I'm going to be showing you Nano Banana Pro inside of Photoshop. It's amazing, and I'm going to show you 5 things it does really well. Before we jump in, here are the 5 things that Nano Banana Pro is amazing at inside Photoshop. Turning day scenes into cinematic night, product mockups and real-world ad setups, shifting focus and depth of field, creating full composite scenes, infographics with layouts, steps, and illustrations. I'll show you all 5 with real examples. Let's start. First, changing a scene from day to night. Nano Banana Pro handles lighting and atmosphere. I try to include all my edits at once, like removing her sunglasses and adding colorful bokeh lights. Here's the prompt I did where I included everything together. I love the cinematic scene it creates. The original photo had random text on the signs. After turning it into a night scene, I wanted the signs to look believable. So here's the fix. Use the selection brush tool to select the sign, then use a clear replacement prompt. It keeps the glow and blur, but updates the text, so it looks more realistic. Next, product mockups. This is where Nano Banana Pro shines for designers. Here's a branded bottle to start. I imported my logo, then in the prompt, I replaced the logo on the bottle with my own. One tip, Nano reads everything on the canvas, so if you don't tell it to remove or replace the original object, it will usually keep it in the final image. Always specify what should go. And then I use the same product to generate a real-world ad. You can design your product and showcase it in context instantly. I also tested how Nano Banana Pro handles hand-drawn shapes. Here's my quick sketch. Not great, but it won't stop Nano Pro. Here's my prompt. It keeps the outline and personality of the drawing and turns it into a colorful graphic design. I love that you don't have to be perfect with your drawing in order to accomplish this. One of my favorite things Nano Banana Pro can do is shift the focus of a photo. Here's the original image, wide shot, lots of background detail. When I create the detailed prompts in Photoshop, I just select all, then go to Edit and Generative Fill. This way you have more room to describe exactly what you want. Here's my prompt. It actually zooms in, sharpens her features, and pushes the background into a soft blur while keeping all the important details. For the composite, I wanted to try something more creative than just blending objects. I added a photo of a woman, a bridal room, and wedding dress hanging on a hanger. I asked Nano Banana Pro to blend the woman and the room together, put the gown on her, and replace the hanging dress with a tall mirror showing her reflection. If you want to do something similar, use this part of the prompt. Combine these images into one cinematic image. And don't forget to tell it to remove the object you're replacing. It blended everything, transferred the gown, and even updated the reflection all in one step. Look at how amazing the lighting looks. The infographics that Nano Banana Pro can make are really fun. Here's the prompt I used for an infographic on how to wrap a Christmas present. It can generate illustrations, steps, and layouts, but it's not perfect. So you always have to check the information that it's creating for you. It can get the small details wrong, and it can't generate a high enough resolution to print at poster size. These are great for web, slides, and small formats, not for large print. In my example, step 3 was incorrect. It didn't show the folds on the side of the gift wrap. So I prompted it to fix step 3. It updated that box, kept the layout, and fixed the illustration without having to regenerate the whole thing. So that's Nano Banana Pro inside Photoshop. Honestly, one of the most creative and flexible AI models available right now. If you want to see more features from the new Photoshop, check out my top 5 updates in Photoshop 2026. See you next time, and don't forget to like and subscribe.